Today, we're diving deep into the world of onions. Those flavorful, versatile, and sometimes tear-inducing vegetables that have been a staple in kitchens around the globe for centuries. Get ready to learn everything you need to know about onions, from their fascinating botanical classification to their culinary magic and health benefits. So, let's get started. Before we explore the culinary and health aspects of onions, let's take a moment to understand their botanical classification. Onions belong to the genus Allium and are part of the Amaryllidaceae family. They are closely related to other aromatic plants, like garlic, leeks, and shallots. Onions come in various shapes, sizes, and colors, such as red, white, and yellow. Growing onions is a fascinating process that involves several stages. It all starts with planting onion sets, or seeds, in well-drained soil. Onions thrive in full sunlight and should be spaced adequately to allow for proper bulb development. Regular watering and proper soil fertility are essential for healthy growth. As the onion plants mature, their leaves start to yellow, indicating that they are ready for harvest. Once harvested, onions are cured in a dry, well-ventilated area before they're ready to be enjoyed. Onions are not only delicious, but also packed with nutritional goodness. They are low in calories and a great source of vitamins and minerals. Onions are rich in vitamin C, vitamin B6, and folate. They also contain antioxidants like quercetin, which have been linked to various health benefits. Now, let's explore the culinary wonders of onions. Onions are a kitchen essential, adding depth and flavor to countless dishes. They can be enjoyed raw in salads, pickled for a tangy kick, sautéed to a sweet caramelized perfection, or even deep-fried for a crispy treat. From soups and stews to stir-fries and salsas, the possibilities are endless. Did you know that onions offer more than just culinary delights? They have been used for their medicinal properties for centuries. Onions are believed to have anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and even anti-cancer properties. They may help support heart health, regulate blood sugar levels, and boost immune function. However, as with any natural remedy, it's important to consult a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet. To make the most of your onion stash, proper storage is key. Store whole, unpeeled onions in a cool, dry, and well-ventilated area. Avoid storing them near potatoes, as the gases emitted can lead to spoilage. Once an onion is cut, wrap the leftover portion in plastic wrap or an airtight container and refrigerate. This will help maintain its freshness and prevent odors from spreading to other foods. And there you have it, a comprehensive look into the incredible world of onions, from their botanical classification to their cultivation, nutritional benefits, culinary uses, medicinal potential, and proper storage methods. Onions truly are a remarkable gift from nature. So, the next time you add a touch of onion magic to your favorite dish, remember the incredible journey this humble vegetable has taken to reach your plate. Thanks for joining us. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content. Until next time, happy cooking!